Okay, we are now going to put together a few different things we learned about this year. Functions, function tables, and putting them on a coordinate plane or graphing them. So this first video will focus on this top one. So get this note page out in front of you. We'll start there. So first, what we have to do is we can either find the rule or we can graph. But the directions tell us to write the equation first, so that's what we're going to do. So let's look at each one here. This one gets bigger, so it's either plus or it's multiplication, addition or multiplication. So to go from 2 to 5, we could do plus 3. Does it work here? 4 plus 3? Yes. 6 plus 3? Yes. So this rule is our y column equals our x column plus 3. Okay, let's look at the next one. That was easy. To go from 1 to 2, we could do plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is? Nope. So it's not addition. How about multiplication? 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 times 2 equals 10. So this is y column equals the x column times 2, which we write as 2x. I almost forgot to squeeze it in there. I know I'm going quick, so pause as needed for this part. These two are getting smaller. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. So our rule is minus 5, which we write as y equals x minus 5. We can say the rule is minus 5, but this is how we write it out. And then the fourth one, to go from 3 to 1, we could do 3 minus 2 is 1. But is 6 minus 2 2? No, so it's not subtraction. How do we go from 3 to 1 with division? 3 divided by what is 1? Oh, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So our rule is divided by 3. So we write y equals x divided by 3. So we did step 1. We wrote the rules for each one. But now it says we have to graph it on the coordinate plane. Okay. First step, let's just start with 1. We're going to do this. We have to think back a while and remember that left and right, this axis is called the x-axis. Up and down is called the y-axis. So this first one says we're going to go 2 on the x. So we start in the middle. 1, 2. Keep my pencil there. And 5 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just put like a regular size dot. Now 4, 7. So I go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all positives right now. Up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't go so fast that you lose count. And remember, pause if you need to. Over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 9. Well, that's 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to draw your straightest line. Ideally, you would take a ruler, which I have here. But if you don't have a ruler, you don't have to. Line it up on those 3. Make a line and put arrows at the end. Now we're going to make 3 other lines. So how do we label that? We label that line with our little equation. So this line is the y equals x plus 3 line, and we label it.